Today we are revisiting the Ridgeview model from Classic Cottages. It is located in Country Club Hills in the neighborhood of Old Glebe in North Arlington. So come with me and let's enjoy this beauty. What a gorgeous house, and if it looks familiar, it's because we visited this house about 3 months ago and it was not staged. So let's take a look at how much of a difference staging does. This house, here to the left hand side, you're gonna have a studio, or it could be a bedroom because it has a full bathroom and a closet. This would be your full bathroom, and it has a shower. Again, the house was built by Classic Cottages, and you cannot say any bad thing about them. I am actually the owner of one of their houses that they built for us, and been in the house for, I don't know, since July. And attention to detail and the customer service from them, it's amazing. By the way, they're not paying me anything. They're just really cool people to deal with. Okay, and to the right-hand side of the entrance, you're gonna have this dining room. It is pretty big. This table sits 6 people, and you can easily fit a table for more, maybe 8, 10 people. Before we go to the great room area, I want to show you from the dining room, you're going to have this butler's room. You're going to have a wine cooler and plenty of light. You have your sink, and this is your kitchen, guys. I'm telling you, I love cooking, and this is paradise. You have this 48-inch range has a griddle top. Let's see, and you have this big burner here. Let me see, this big burner here that could be for a wok or a big pan, and it seems like it has a ton of power, so you can sear those steaks, and very, very good cooking. The range also has a double oven, and then you're gonna have another double oven here on the wall. It is a microwave and a secondary oven. On this side, you're gonna have, of course, your sink, and you're gonna have a dishwasher. And look at your freezer and your refrigerator. Amazing. Okay, I don't want to show you yet the living room. Let's go to the other side of the kitchen here. You are gonna have, look at this pantry. Amazing. From the pantry, you're gonna come into a mudroom. Plenty of space. And closet. And then one of the best features, or one of the important features of the house, it is this 3-car garage. Talk about plenty of space. Not only you have the space for the 3 cars, but you also have plenty of space for storage, tools, whatnot. It is also wired for your electric vehicle, and you're gonna have your 2 electrical panels here. And I'll put a note on the screen, but I believe that this is irrigation system. It's already wired. So that is awesome. Okay. So you come from the grocery store, you put your stuff here in the pantry, and then you load your kitchen. And look at this living space, family room, living room, whatever you want to call it. Another awesome thing is that you can integrate the space into the outside. It has these massive, huge glass doors, and we're gonna end up the video here, so I'll show you later. But you have this covered porch and direct access to the backyard. Here, also in the kitchen, you're gonna have a breakfast table. So this could be your everyday breakfast area. And then you have your dining room for formal events and whatnot. In this channel, we help you navigate the complex world of buying, selling, and investing in real estate here in Northern Virginia, specifically in Arlington. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly about living in the area. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because every week we post a new video and you do not want to miss them. By the way, if you're relocating from another state to Northern Virginia or inside of the area, please make sure that you give us a call, you send us a text message, whatever is more convenient for you. If you have questions, we have answers. Let's go to the second level, and I have a huge surprise when we go to the basement, so stick around. We are on the second level. This level, we're gonna have 4 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms and your laundry room. This laundry room is very pretty. The cabinetry, it's awesome, and you have plenty of space for a full washer and dryer. Let's go to the first bedroom. Every bedroom has a fan, has plenty of space. This will be towards the front of the house. And take a look at your neighbors. And of course, every room has its own bathroom and a big closet. This is your closet. And a view from the other side of the bedroom. And let's go into the bathroom now. Simple subway tile with a gray floor, but it looks awesome. You don't need anything else. Okay, bedroom number 2, sneak peek of the primary bedroom. All right, bedroom number 2, it's a little bit bigger. And again, characteristic is high ceilings and plenty of light. Of course, again, your big closet. Another view from the other side. And your bathroom. Hexagon tile floors and a very modern look and feel for this bathroom. I love the niche. Okay, let's go to bedroom number 3. By the way, look at this staircase. It's all metal and it is very, very modern. Very nice. All right, let's go to bedroom number 3. Out of the 3 bedrooms that we have seen, this one is the biggest one. Not by much, but enough. Again, this would be a bedroom in the front of the house. We're right now on top of the garage. And pretty much you have windows on two sides, not all sides, but this would be your closet. And then let's go and take a look at your bathroom. Very nice details. Again, a white tile for the shower and a beige kind of color for the floors. And guys, without further ado, let's go into the primary bedroom. Really quick pit stop here. You have a linen closet. Okay, so the primary bedroom, you have fireplace, and it is plenty big. That is a king size bedroom, and I don't know if you can notice that, but really big space. This will be a view from the other side of the bedroom. And guys, you're gonna love the amount of closet space in the primary closets. Let's go in there first before we go to the bathroom. So this would be the first area, and then you have a second area here in the back. Could be his and hers. And if you're watching this video with kids, cover their ears, because this shower here is the definition of an FU shower. It's huge. Look at this. You have a rain head on the top, and then you have your regular shower head, and you have a handheld. Then you have this huge tub. The top location is amazing because you have windows on 3 sides, and I don't know if you noticed that, but that is a big tree that gives you tons of privacy. Of course, I do recommend having your window treatment. By the way, look at that tree there, a Japanese maple. Anyway, second view from the back of the bathroom, and again you have built-ins right outside the bathroom. So far, what do you think about the house? What would you add or what would you remove from it? Anyways, let's go into the basement, and I have a huge surprise for you. Before we go to the entertainment room here in the basement, let's take a look at the additional rooms that we have here. First, you're gonna have this exercise room. And I say it's an exercise room because it already has the rubber flooring for it. Plenty of space to have your personal gym in here. And then you're gonna have a half bathroom or a powder room. And you're gonna see why, because you want to entertain in this house. This would be an additional bedroom, full bedroom here in the basement. You have your access to escape to the outside, and you have a big closet. Big closet, make your guest very comfortable. And then you have a full bathroom here for this bedroom. Nice shower and your sink. Okay, I want to show you the surprise. Big room here, plenty of space, big fireplace also, with stone. It is, the details are just very, very pretty. And look at this bar. And I'll put a text, because I made the number here of how many bottles this fridge wine cooler is. Or not wine cooler, but wine storage room. It is tempered, has your cooling system up there. You see, cooling system up there, and you have your thermostat bottle right there. And also you have direct access to the backyard, which we are gonna visit in a minute. Let's take a look behind the bar. Okay, so sink, more wine cooler. If you wanna mix your bottles, maybe you can have some beers here. And behind the bar, there's this additional space here which could be for storage. I am going to say that this is maybe 10 by 6. I will put a text to confirm what is the space or the size of the room. Okay, let's go and take a look at the backyard. Backyard is huge. And you have this space here, which you can easily put your furniture and a fire pit, maybe a grill, and then up there is your screened-in porch, which has access to ways. And then you have more storage underneath it. I would maybe put some kind of lattice and cover it. Maybe you can have all your tool shed for the backyard down there. All right, let's take a look here at the screened-in porch. This would absolutely be a very nice space for sitting and sipping a coffee right in the morning. Okay guys, thank you very much for touring the house with me today. We're almost done. Let's go inside and finish the video here. Thank you very much for touring this gorgeous house with us today. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington. Today, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you hit the notification bell, because every week we post new videos and you don't want to miss them. So, see you next week.